Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. Today we will be continuing with the sandblasting, but before you switch to another episode or something, I will change things up a bit and do some of the let's say more delicate parts that require some more finesse in order to sandblast them, just so that we move forward in a broad way. So stay tuned and let's get started. So here we have the power steering pump, and this side needs to be protected, and also some other openings. And this one, so the lid for the pump, I don't want to sandblast these areas and not in that threaded hole, but if I put it like this then I can go nuts as long as I keep some pressure. I will do a bit of sandblasting on this one, and then maybe a little bit on these, the sort of inner shields for the rear brakes. So these took no time at all to sandblast, and I took the edges and the inner surface is safe. The power steering pump is looking really nice, but perhaps I will grind down the casting marks. I have a few spots that I need to take care of, but yeah, the new nozzle is a big improvement. So now let's continue with these and see what we can, if we can do something with them. And here you can see a little bit of the sandblasting that I did on the brake shield drum. It's again a little bit of the harder rust, so it takes a bit more work to remove it, and this one I didn't do anything on. I focused on the power steering pump. So I did a bit of grinding and took down the casting edges at least a little bit. I also removed some of the logos or marks from the lid, but yeah, I'm keeping the logos, especially this one, TQ Tech or something, Toyota logo, quite cool. So that will be it for this episode. A little bit different than the previous sandblasting episode at least, but yeah, it's work that needs to be done sometime. So but thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.